Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. You may notice that I'm using this elegant cup. This is a genuine ceramic cup, specially printed, with Old Sneelock's logo on one side and a picture of my old shop on the other. I got this because I wanted to have a cup with something to remember the shop by. And you can have one too. I put a link down in the description and you can go to Spring and order a cup, a shirt, a hoodie, all kinds of stuff. It's great for the channel and it makes it so that you get a little piece of the channel to have with you.